How to get a Chase debit card. Now, first of all, if you wanted a credit card, you would go to the website and click on credit card to apply. But what for the debit card, right? So for debit card, the thing is that whenever you open up a new bank account, your debit card should be given to you by default after a week or so after it has arrived in your bank. But this system could depend from many places as well. But if you fill your bank account online, sometimes you might not get the debit card. Now, just to request for a debit card, the simplest thing that you can do is contact the customer care. Now you can directly go to chase.com and click on customer service and select, let's say, find ATM or branch, or let's say see help options here, and you can simply find their phone number here. And once you find their phone number, you will be able to directly call them in this Chase customer service. Now do not go to Google and type in Chase bank customer service number, because sometimes it could be a scam number, sorry. So just come to their official website, look for the customer support section, find their official helpline, and then just let them to request that you want a debit card and that you have not received, and they should be able to help you with the further instructions. Because the thing is, you cannot fill out a debit card form from the website only for credit card, because for debit card it should be given to you by default. But if you didn't receive it, you can try to call the bank. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.